Hello, welcome to the lecture on basic civil engineering for the second lecture of second part of lecture in which we will be covering steel and concrete. Steel is an alloy of iron with typically a few percentage of carbon to improve its strength and fracture resisting compared to iron. Here in steel, carbon plays an important role for its strength. Type of steel. Here steel is classified into four categories: carbon steel, alloy steel, stainless steel, tool steel. For our construction stages, or you can say for any structure, carbon steel is an important for our various elements such as beam, column, slab, etc. etc. In carbon steel, low carbon steel is said to be mild steel. Mild steel has less carbon so that its strength will be lower than other steel, but it has good ductility property. So these properties will be useful for some of the structures, or you can say some of the elements of structure. Thereafter, medium carbon steel. Medium carbon steel has high strength compared to low carbon steel. High carbon steel. High carbon steel has higher strength, which you can say tensile strength. So high carbon steel are HYSD bars. We'll be discussing in the coming slides too. Stainless steel is categorized into ferrite, martensite, austenite, duplex, precipitation, hardening, pH. Types of steel bars. As our steel is categorized based on carbon, we are categorizing according to the two types: mild steel bar and deformed steel bar. Mild steel bar, which we have already discussed, it has good ductility property. Deformed steel bar. Deformed steel bar is characterized into two types: TMT bar, thermomechanically treated bar, and the second one is high yield strength deformed bar. Here you can see in the figure of different size of steel rods available in the market. Properties of steel. As you all know, in concrete, steel is added. We all know that concrete has good compression strength, but it is weaker in tensile strength. So we are adding the bars in the concrete to get the tensile strength too. So tensile strength is an amount of stress that substance can take before coming structurally deformed. The tensile strength of steel is comparatively high, making it highly resistant to friction or breakage, which is a key point in its use in infrastructure building. Now the second one is ductility. One of the useful mechanical properties of steel is its ability to change the shape on application of forces to it without resulting in a fracture. So I have already said that mild steel has good ductility property. So it can change the shape on application of forces. Malleability. Malleability is closely linked with ductility and allows steel to deform under compression. When compressive load is applied, it can be molded into thin sheets. So it is a good malleable property. Durability. Hardness of steel is very high, reflecting its ability to resist strains. It is long lasting and greatly resistant to external wear and tear. Hence, it is considered a very durable material. Conductivity. Steel is a good conductor of heat and electricity. As we all know, this property make it good choice for making domestic cookwares as well as electric wirings. So steel has wide range of use in wide field too. Luster. One of the physical property of steel is its attractive outer appearance. You can see it is the steel is very shiny material, so its appearance is good. Rust resistance. Addition of some element in the steel, it become rust proof. So some one of the example is stainless steel. Adding nickel and chromium, it improves the ability of resistance to rust, or you can say corrosion. Now I'll be talking about use. So we all know the steel is widely used in different fields. Steel is an environment friendly and sustainable. It possesses greater durability. Compared to other material, steel requires a low amount of energy to produce lightweight steel construction. World's most recycled material, so it is easily recycled. Steel can be designed into various forms. We have already seen that it has ductility property. Engineering steels are used for general engineering and manufacturing sectors. We all know that for industrial manufacturing, various elements of automobile sector, or you can say in a household structure, in various fields, these steels are being manufactured. Steel is mainly used in automobile industry. Different type of steels are used in car body, doors, engine, suspension and interiors. Average 50% of car is made of steel. Steel reduce CO2 emission. All type of energy sectors demand steel for infrastructure and resource extraction. Stainless steel we are using in daily life as a utensils for you can say household appliances. Steels are used for packing and protecting goods for water, air and light exposure. Most of the household appliances you can see steel is made up of. Steel is used for producing industrial goods also. Stainless steel is used as a cutlery materials. It can be easily welded, so attractive finish can be get. Steel has prominent features in modern architecture. As we all know that it has good welding capabilities and attractive finishes. Architecture field also steel is used. Stainless steel gives a hygienic environment. Steel has a wider range of temperature which is used for making way larger sheets. We have already discussed malleable property. Even in renewable sector such as solar, hydro and wind power, steels are used for manufacturing of various components. Mild steel is used for building construction. It is also highly flavored building frame materials. And other steel bars are TMT and HYSD bars. Now I'll be talking about concrete. Concrete, we can see the grayish color. Concrete is a composite material made up of fine and coarse aggregate bonded together with a fluid cement and water. So basic four elements are sand, aggregate, cement and water. If we are adding reinforcement bar or you can say steel bars, then we can say it as a reinforced cement concrete type of concrete. Plain cement concrete. If we are using cement, sand and aggregate, then it is said to be cement, plain cement concrete. If steel bar or you can say reinforced bar are added to the cement, sand and aggregate, then it is said to be reinforced cement concrete. Pre-stressed concrete. If bars are stressed at the initial stage or a final stage, then it is said to be pre-stressed concrete. Fiber reinforced concrete. If concrete is added with fibers such as carbon, steel, plastic, etc., then it is said to be fiber reinforced concrete. Lightweight concrete. If the concrete is added with some of the ingredients and minerals, then it is said to be lightweight concrete. High strength concrete. If we are adding fly ash, limestone, slate, etc., to get a higher strength, then it is said to be high strength concrete. Ready mix concrete, self compacting concrete, and shotcrete. These are the some of the type of concrete. Properties of concrete. It should have good mechanical strength. We all know that concrete has good compressive strength. Durability. It has good durability. Fire resistance. Thermal and acoustical insulation properties. Impact resistance. Porosity and density. These are the some of the properties of concrete. Uses of concrete. We all know that each element of construction stages concrete is used. It is an important building product. Concrete is chosen over wood as construction material. It is durable and cost effective material which is necessary for underground uses. Concrete is sustainable choice for residential and commercial projects. Strength of concrete increases over time. We all know that if cement is added to the fine aggregate and coarse aggregate and it is mixed with water, heat of hydration liberates slowly. As the age of concrete increases, its strength gaining capacity goes on increasing. So the strength of concrete over time increases. Concrete can hold up against weathering condition and is easy to maintain. It is budget friendly. So various concrete structures can be built anywhere. Concrete is safe for building occupants. Concrete is an inert material which doesn't borrow mellow or feed root. Its superior structure integrity provide added degree of protection from the severe weather. So it does not affect any severe weather. Concrete walls and floor make a home quite piece of rest, relaxation and regeneration. Concrete is produced for locally available materials. Which are the locally available materials? Cement, sand, aggregate and water. It is used as a aggregate in roadbed. We all know that after demolition of any structures, this concrete can be recycled and it is used for roadbeds. Concrete is fire resistant. It can resist extreme level of fume and heat, which is a good choice for sealing in a storage room. Concrete can be shaped in various forms. So it is good product for an architecture to form a various shape as per requirement. Concrete is in sensitive to moisture. It doesn't release any volatile organic compounds into the air. Concrete gives a longer service life. We all know that various buildings remains up to 50 to 100 years. So the service life is good. It keeps home safe from insects. It doesn't attract insect pest or rodent. That's why small animals cannot burrow in through the concrete to make a home. Concrete has multiple design possibilities. Concrete can be used to achieve optimum environmental performance as it is recyclable. It is possible to use it for addition. So these are the some of the uses of concrete. Thank you for listening. We'll be meeting in next video lecture. See you. Bye bye.